Everyone has heard about the Egyptian pyramids, massive, mysterious, and ancient. But what if I told you that most of what you know is only half the truth? Welcome to the secret history of Egypt's pyramids, where we uncover the hidden facts, forgotten legends, and mind-blowing mysteries buried under the desert sands. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, is the last surviving wonder of the ancient world. It stands over 480 feet tall, made of more than 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2 and 80 tons. No cranes, no engines, just human hands. And a mystery that still puzzles engineers today. How did the ancient Egyptians achieve such precision? Some believe ramps were used. Others say there's a lost technology we haven't discovered yet. One thing is certain: the deeper you dig, the stranger it gets. The pyramids weren't randomly placed. The 3 pyramids of Giza align almost perfectly with the stars in Orion's belt. Even more shocking, the sides of the Great Pyramid are aligned with incredible precision to true north, south, east, and west, using no compass or satellite. Coincidence? Or were the Egyptians master astronomers who knew something we still don't understand? Despite being called tombs, no mummy has ever been found inside the Great Pyramid. Inside, the passageways are narrow, steep, and lead to empty chambers. No decoration, no treasure, and no sarcophagus lid. So, were they really built for pharaohs, or for something else entirely? Something we've yet to decode. In 2017, scientists used cosmic ray scanning technology and discovered a mysterious hidden void above the Grand Gallery inside the Great Pyramid. It's over 100 feet long and completely sealed off. No one knows what's inside. Others say it may hold secrets that could rewrite what we know about ancient Egypt. Some experts believe it could be an undiscovered chamber. The Great Pyramid is more than just a tomb. It's a message from the past, carved in stone and aligned with the stars. But one thing is clear: the pyramids of Egypt are still guarding their secrets. Was it a monument to the dead? A power plant? A cosmic time capsule? We may never know for sure. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more hidden history, mysterious stories, and untold truths from around the world.